Good morning, good day, hello there ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Yurko here. I'm going to take a look at this Fling Thing, have fun storming the castle design activity. I'm going to try to create something out of this pile of stuff, randomness that I have here that is going to allow me to design and construct. I'm going to try to construct a thing to fling fling a thing as far as I can, and actually most importantly as accurately as I can. So first I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the stuff I got here, see what I have. You might not have the exact same things, but you have things. And I just realized it. Hello? Oh, that's right. So you might not have the exact same things, but you have things. I enjoy the weird parts of the videos. So this is the stuff I got. I got some tape, I got paper cups, some pipe cleaners, some coffee stirrers, some popsicle sticks, there's a straw, paper clips, toothpick, skewer thing. There's a bottle cap, some paper, pencil, pen thing. Alright, so I gotta fling something. So first I'm gonna go ahead and come up with something that I want to fling. Need a ball of tape. So I've identified my problem. That's my first thing, is I want to fling something, and I want to fling something a specific distance. We gotta hit a target. So I need something to fling. So I got some wadded up chunks of paper here. I could come in and do like a folded up piece of paper thing. I've seen people do that. Well, I'm not really doing some testing here. See, let's see. Here's the materials. Let's see. Ooh, that flew off. That didn't flew. Kind of flew off the way I wasn't expecting it. Try that again. So I got. Some stuff here. Let's get it farther away. You guys are still busy staring at it. There we go. There's just pieces of me. Alright, so we've got this one here. Let's try folding that up and see what I can do, like paper football style. I'm gonna fold that. Let's do paper football style. So that's triangles. Triangles. So I'm doing experimenting with some different. This is a tried and true doodad. This has been around forever. It's a little paper football. It's kind of cool thing about this style is it flies pretty well. I think I remember you probably played with something like this before. Just a piece of tape on it. Or I could make a little block of tape like so, floating that. That works all right. And then we gotta like figure flinger. Just flingers like that. There's I had a rubber band. I guess I don't have a rubber band. I thought I had a rubber band. Whatever. So I could do like that. Oops. That seems to be a problem. We need somebody holding that. cap. Let's try the ball cap. Oh, that worked pretty good. Alright. I don't like how flexible it is. I like the pull on that. It seems a little weak. I want a little more stiffness to it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to land it a couple of these together. I'll take 4 of those. This makes it look, putting 4 of these together makes it, oh yeah, stronger doodad. Oh yeah, I think that's pretty good. So let's see, now what about angles? If I want to be able to hit targets, I need to be able to, so have it high, that comes out low. I think I like the small projectiles. I think they're easier to, these little tape balls seem to be something that kind of reminds me of a BB. Well, what happens if I throw it way back? Well, I just flicked it up in the air. Seems like it probably works best in the vicinity of like halfway up, so like 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 0 degrees. How about halfway, maybe? There you go. I like that. So now I gotta figure out how to hold it there. Here's this bundle of sticks here. Let's wrap these together. I don't know. Kind of like this pipe cleaner, so I don't usually use these things, but there happen to be some, so I figured, what the heck. Kind of cool though. It's got like a string or a wire. It's just a piece of wire, but that kind of forms a. And then the cool thing about, oh, that's neat. I can slide that. I didn't even think about that. I can slide that to different angles. Nice. Alright, so here I've got my little catapult thing. It definitely is not perfect. I can use some improvement, tweak it a little bit. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make myself a couple of projectiles that are as consistent as possible, because I want them to fly the same as possible. And I'm just going to use like the little wads of tape, so I try to break off the same size of tape each time, so I get a consistent product. and then I'm going to do 10 or 20 or 30 trials where I shoot at targets. I'm going to measure the distance it flies, and I want to collect that data, write it down. This is a big deal. Create a table where I go ahead and let's see, paper. And so what I'll do is I'll set up a table, which is just real simple, and then we'll say set a target, so we'll say we'll shoot at this cup, and then we'll put the cup out at a distance, and we'll shoot at the cup. And I'm going to measure, and we'll trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, trial 4, trial 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'll put the cup out a distance, say catch cup out 5 feet. Say 5 feet. And then I'll have an actual, so I'll say 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And then I'm going to throw to the actual distance. So then we're going to go ahead and so I've got my chart here, and then I'm going to shoot this at the cup, set it out a distance, and then you try to measure it, the actual distance. So if it actually went, if the first one actually went 10 feet, and then the next one actually went 11, and then another one went 7, and then I got an outlier that went 15, then I got another, the next one hit the dang cup, yay, hit the cup. And so I'm just going to go ahead and trial this as many times and create a chart to show how far each of my throws actually went. I really wanted to go this 5 feet to hit this cup here, which 5 feet would be much further than my arm range, but here we go. Yeah, there you go. But bring it back and hit that cup. So go ahead and give it a shot. Have fun. Create whatever you're going to create. You don't have to create it like mine. It doesn't need to look anything like mine. Create yourself a data table to keep track of how everything works. Write down notes and sketches, what you learn along the way, and have fun. And as always, it'll be awesome.